Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, CD player, heated front seats. Come take a test drive today.